We will need 3 cups of oats, also 2 bananas, some cranberries, some raisins, some sliced almonds, some pecans, and some coconut. Also, we will be adding syrup, in this case coconut syrup, and we will need 25 pitted dates, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt. Okay, so those are the ingredients. Now let's go ahead and preheat the oven at 325, and then we're going to get a high-speed blender. In this case, I have a Vitamix, and we're going to go ahead and blend the ingredients very well. Okay, so now we're going to add it into the dry mix, and we're going to mix very, very well. After it's very well mixed, we're going to pass it to a cookie sheet. You can put parchment paper or anything just to help that it won't stick, as long as you separate it very well in the pan so it can cook nice and even. And then we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in for 20 minutes. Set your timer. After that, we will be taking it out, mixing it very well again, because it will be going back into the oven. So it's all mixed, and now we're going to put it again 20 more minutes into the oven and take it out one more time, and again mix it very well. And for one last time, which I won't show here in the video, you will be putting it in for about 10 more minutes. And yes, I had to taste it. It is delicious. After it's all done, we go ahead and pass it to another sheet so it can cool off for about 2 to 3 hours. You can also put it in the fridge, and this is the way it comes out. Very crunchy. And what I do is I put them in mason jars and I put them in the fridge. They can last up to 2 weeks. And like I said, it's very delicious. Add it to many things, smoothies, cereals. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please comment below, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.